All right, we're going to get started with some different grammar things we're going to talk about today. So these are our oo and our sounds, okay? So moon, if we hear moon, we hear more of an oo sound, right? Everybody say moon. We hear oo, okay? But when we have it like this, our oo sounds different, okay? Book. It's more of a oo sound, okay? So moon and book. Okay, so I want you to pay attention to those O's when they are together and how they sound differently, okay? On this slide right here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to read this passage. I have told you guys this week, but I have told you this week, but if you would like to, and for some of my friends, I really would like you to do this, go ahead and press pause and try to read this passage on your own, okay? But I will go ahead and read it to anybody else, okay? When I go to my room each night, the moon shines bright through my window. My granny reads me my favorite book, and we laugh at all the silly pictures of the goose sitting on a large spoon. She pulls up the covers, pats my foot, and blows me a kiss. I take one last look out at my friend, the moon, and then off to dreamland I go. Good night and sweet dreams. So in these boxes right here, you are going to write all of the words that you heard were in the oo word families, okay? So all of the ones that had like the sound the moon and the ones that had the sound like book, okay? That sound a little bit differently. So you're going to go through and you're going to find those in your story. And then you're going to click right here and there will be text boxes and you're going to type out what those words were, okay? And then here at the bottom, I want you to write me a sentence of what happened in the story. That is it for your reading and grammar today.